Hey everyone, it's Jenny Garcia, and in this video I have my cover page for 2020, and I haven't made one page, not even the cover of my 2019 Project Life album, but I was looking for one spread where I could use the Color Me Happy collection by Kat Martin for Pretty Little Studio, and this one is the one that spoke to me the most. And I printed almost out of all of my photos, actually all of my photos of 2019 and up until the first week of April 2020. So now I just need to find some actual time to sit down and make a few things. And I wanted to use that Pixel, I think it's called Pixel Dots Black, for the background of the little photos, because the little photos, they're not photos obviously. Every year I try to do something creative with our cover page, so this year I use a page, I think it's called Powerpuff Girl Me or something like that. So I made one for each of us, and I wanted to do something fun, so I chose those photos and I used the blacks to give it some contrast. Though if any white paper maybe wouldn't make it pop as much as it did. I also didn't want to do too much to this cover since it's so busy. It's gonna have so many colors and the little photos are obnoxious. So two of the pockets are actually clears, and they're from the same collection, Color Me Happy, and I love clears. You get like a little sneak peek into the other week, and I love this pattern with the circles. And I'm gonna use the alphas from this collection to write our names underneath, and I let my girls do their own little emoji, whatever, Powerpuff Girl image. And this collection has quite a few stickers. I know that I got 4 of the mini ABC stickers, and for each little character or person I'm gonna use a different color. I was just gonna put the name, but I don't know, I always feel like I need to add washi tape even if I don't. I also consider using a circle die to cut around the little image, but I wasn't totally feeling that, so I just went for the square. And I'm using the Tombow Mono Adhesive Plus to glue everything down. And this washi, I think it was from a set from Michaels. I think it maybe was from the Wild at Heart collection. I don't remember. It's a pack that had a bunch of rainbow color washi tape, and I used the same washi tape for all the photos. And I also love the little word stickers. I love when they come in color, and this font is pretty cool, so that's what I'm adding on top. I love this blue. This collection has so many pretty colors, including purple, which is so underappreciated in the scrapbook world. I wish we had more, so I'm glad this collection has a tiny bit of that. And I like how original this collection is. It doesn't look like anything much out there. And also, if you want to give support to small business and something made in the United States, Pretty Little Studio is a good option for that. And that's my husband. I think he looks the weirdest. I think it's the beard that the little things have. And now I needed a page so I could, not a page, sorry, a card where I could add our last name. And also I'm gonna use that, I'm gonna end up using the rainbow one to add the year, which I'm gonna keep super simple. But right now I'm looking for options for the cards. And I love these numbers. They are from, I got them Tuesday morning. And I just wanted to see which one would look better with the card. And the numbers are just perfect. Yeah, and since the glue of the stickers tend to be a little bit weak, I'm gonna use adhesive, and I think by then I ran out of the Moon Adhesive Plus and I was too lazy to go grab a refill, so I just got my Jumbo Mini Glue tape, which is pretty strong too, to glue the letters. I'm gonna use these alphas, which are amazing, and there's also a die cut pack of these alpha font, but I went with the stickers because it's a pretty long last names and I wanted to fit correctly. Normally I would put both of our last names because that's how we normally do it, but I didn't have space and I'm not that picky about that. This alphabet is so flipping cool. I actually got 2 sticker sheets and I got the, oh my god, the die cut pack. So I flipped the paper quite a few times and I ended up choosing this side because the U otherwise would get lost in the green underneath. And this is what I love, the 4x6 packs. You can use those cards to either add a smaller photo on top for the 4x6 pockets. You can use them for title cards. You can use them to journal if they have a really simple or light pattern. And I wish I committed at first to put the last name on top really far to the left. It's not that much, but in my brain it's like a huge deal, and the word family at the bottom a little bit more to the right, but since the top was already in the middle, I figured that I would add it in the middle too. And I just wanted, it's like super busy, I really don't need to add anything else at all, but it's like a compulsive thing to keep adding die cuts and things like that. I love how that card turned out. I love those colors and patterns. And this is the final result. I really like it. It has so many colors. It's incredibly obnoxious, but that's the way I really like it. So I hope you enjoyed this video. I'm sorry I haven't been posting a lot lately. We're here at home and I don't have much time to create, let alone film and edit and all that. It took me like a week to edit and add the voiceover to this one. So I hope you're doing great and you're staying safe and having fun, and I hope you're getting a little time to create. Have an amazing day and thank you for watching. Bye.